Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Scorpios, we are picking few cards, guys, and I have a fairy tale pick a card love reading coming right after this general energy, guys. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys. Scorpios. So let's start with the general reading. We have 7 of swords in reverse, 10 of wands in reverse, and ace of wands. So in your situation, guys, Scorpios, you are facing some difficulties. Maybe you are working hard, maybe towards some new beginning, and there is a new beginning coming to you, guys. It may be in your career, something you are working towards, maybe some goals, or you have some aspirations for yourself, or you have some goals you need to achieve and you are working towards that. You are putting in lot of effort, spending your time, energy, skills, and a lot of money for that, and today you are going to see success in that. So all these difficulties are going to give you the fruits, so you are going to enjoy the fruits of uh, your investment, whatever you are doing right now, guys. That hard work is going to bear fruit for you, guys, Scorpios. Or again, it may be something in your personal life. Maybe you are trying really hard to make this person understand you, understand what you feel in your heart of hearts, so you're working towards that. Maybe you have sacrificed a lot, faced lot of trials for this love, for this connection, and this person is finally understanding you for what you are, guys. The truthful heart you have towards them, the true heart, your what to say, that intentions that you have in your heart of hearts. So they are finally seeing that, and you are maybe taking the next step in this connection, maybe moving towards a deep, meaningful connection with that intimacy, understanding, respect for each other, caring, guys. So, and also there are people giving you some valuable advice, guys. They are suggesting you certain things, but you are not listening to them. This may be your energy or this person's energy. So the people around you, maybe some good friend or a family member, they are having good intentions towards you and they are giving you good advice. You need to listen, but you are not willing to accept their counsel, guys. So maybe Scorpios, you can listen to them and think about that before you make some important decisions today, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for your general energy. For your relationship, we have 9 of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe what you are expecting from this person or what they are expecting from you is not being met. So some kind of misunderstandings may be there. So we were speaking about that. So you are facing lot of trials for this love, for this connection, guys. So for some of you, you may come to an understanding, guys, with this person. So your trust, you feel your trust has been broken and you cannot rely on this person. But for some of you, your situation may change, guys, Scorpios. And the card for your career situation, we have 9 of Wands in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, career, you are facing lot of competition. There are people competing, maybe competitive businesses are there. So you are working hard, lot of burdens on your shoulders, guys, Scorpios. but I see you will be moving in a very positive way because we have this card here. So it denotes something positive, something which you love to do is coming your way, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you are interested, stay tuned for that fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your fairy tale story, guys, we have two cards here. So if you are interested to watch this reading, you can just close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will start with this card first. So let's see what it is. The Rose Elf, Revelations. So for those who have chosen this card, the first card, guys, it just means that whatever truth, however hard you try, maybe you are trying to hide something, or this person you are in relationship with, they are trying to hide something, but truth will come out one day, maybe not today, but it will surely come out. So you can never hide truth. That is the basic meaning of this card, guys. And however hard you are suppressing it, you are hiding some secrets, or they are hiding some secrets from this person, or it may be something you did, some kind of unkindness or rude behavior or some kind of abuse you are facing. So though you are not revealing that, it may be from someone very close to you. So they are harming you in some way, or you are doing that to someone, but you can never suppress it for a long time, guys. It is going to come out someday, and justice will take its natural course. So you can never escape from the evil things or the bad things that happens. Maybe we are in the receiving end, but we are ready to forgive this person and move on, but still the things that have been done to us, someday it will come to the surface, and that person will get the results for the evil deed. So if we do something good, we will reap the good results, guys, but if we do something bad, we are going to reap the bad things. It is the natural law of the world. So though you are trying really hard to cover up with our actions, or try to hide those secrets, whatever it is going to come to surface. So maybe if you are seeing someone like that in your situation, maybe you see someone in troubles, in some worrying situation, you can give them hope and instill faith in their heart. So this fairy tale story is about that, guys. So we have to have faith and hope in the future, and justice will surely come to pass. That is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. And that is the reading with this card. So let's start with the second card. So let's see what is the story with the second card, guys. So we have the Frog Prince. So with this card, it just means that we are trying to close ourselves. Maybe we are afraid of intimacy, we are afraid of opening our heart to someone, and we are trying to avoid people or trying to avoid someone, but today we have to have that understanding that if we want a deep meaningful connection, we should not be afraid to have that open heart to heart communication and that openness in our relationship, guys. So there is someone who is wishing to be in connection with you very deeply, but you are rejecting them, and you are not, maybe for some of you, you are rejecting someone, or for some of you, you are not keeping your word, keeping some promise. So it is time for you to keep up your word, guys. And maybe sometimes when we become too close to someone, we have that discomfort at the beginning because this person knows everything about us or will know everything about us. But it is time you share your feelings, affection, and be with that person if you want that deep, meaningful love, meaningful connection, guys. So that is what this card is about, guys. So the person who you feel is worthy for you is the right person. You can share your deep thoughts or whatever wishes and dreams you have for yourself with them. Only then you will be able to establish that beautiful relationship, guys. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, that is your reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.